You have definitely seen these viral ASMR videos, transparent fruit being cut like glass, tiny chefs making giant sushi, or those oddly satisfying foods that don't even exist in real life. But here is the crazy part. While most people are just watching these videos, only about 1% are actually using this opportunity to blow up their pages. And the owner of this TikTok page is one of them. They took the help of AI and created a completely unique niche that almost nobody was doing. And now they are getting millions of views, all from these super satisfying high quality ASMR videos. Here is another TikTok channel with lots of followers doing the same concept. And here is another one. All these pages skyrocketed in just a few weeks using nothing but creative ideas and AI video tools. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how these ASMR videos are made and how you can make the same style of videos using Vexub, even if you have never created AI content before. And let me tell you, there is no secret technique behind these viral videos. Every AI video model works the same way. It only follows the prompt you give it. So if you learn how to write the right prompts, you can generate ASMR videos that look just as good as the viral ones on TikTok. So let me show you a simple method using ChatGPT. Just type what kind of prompt you need so that the ChatGPT has got all the instructions. It will now provide you the prompt. And now I will open vexub.com, click on create a video. After that, select the VO3 feature and click on go to step 2. Now we just need to paste the prompt. Select the ratio, vertical, and then click on start generation. Now it will take a bit of time, and after a while, here is the generated video. And look at that. How cool is that? I've got exactly what I was looking for. The scene is perfect, the sound timing is okay, the texture, lighting, camera framing, everything is perfect. Let me show you some other videos which I generated using this tool. You will get an idea how perfectly it works. And I will share all the prompts in the description box as well. And this niche is still extremely fresh on YouTube. TikTok is getting crowded, but YouTube still has almost no competition for these AI ASMR videos. So if you think creatively and combine the right prompts with the right scenes, you can build a faceless channel that grows faster than anything else right now. And whenever you are ready to actually generate these videos, just use vexub.com. It's the simplest, cleanest, and most affordable platform to create these AI clips without needing VO3 separately or other expensive subscriptions. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And with that, today's video comes to an end. I hope you learned something valuable, and I wish you the best of luck with your ASMR journey. See you in the next video.